To download CamStudio, go to camstudio.org and then click the link to download. Also, you can see the CamStudio installation guide under the iFlex. Just log into your iFlex and then go to week 3. Under week 3, you will see the install guide for MyTest Discord and CamStudio. Click the link and then you will see the install guide. Just look for the CamStudio and then follow the steps. Once you're done downloading and installing CamStudio, you need to set up now the settings. First, go to region and then select full screen. Once you're done, go to options, select record audio from microphone. Go back to options again and then click video options. You need to set the quality to 50. And then, once you're done, go to the max frame rate and then adjust it to the right. Please make sure that you will have capture frames every 50 milliseconds and playback rate of 20 frames per second. Once you're done, click OK. When you're ready to do screen recording, please make sure that you only open MindTest and CamStudio as your programs. This is to avoid leaking personal information coming from your browsers or social media apps such as Facebook and Messenger. When you are now ready, please make sure that the region is in full screen and then just press record. Once you see the green text, it means it is now recording. You can now go to your MindTest and then try out. If you want to quit or to pause recording, you need to select Alt Tab for you to multitask and then switch apps. You can pause the recording, just press pause. Or you can continue it by pressing record. Once you are done with your narration or your screen recording, click the stop button. Once you click stop, it will automatically save. For you to locate the folder of the recording, just go to your documents. And then under documents, you will see CamStudio videos. And then under there, you will see your file.